How to get a web receipt on Cash App. This tutorial will guide you through the process of obtaining a web receipt on Cash App in 2025. Whether you need a receipt for personal records or for business purposes, accessing your transaction history online is straightforward. Follow the steps to generate receipts for your payments, purchases, and transfers efficiently. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Cash App official website by entering the URL Cash That App. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your registered email address or phone number. Input your secure password. If prompted, verify your identity using the two-factor authentication method. Once logged in, locate the Activity tab in the main menu. Click on Activity to view a list of all your transactions. Find the specific transaction for which you need a receipt. Click on the transaction to open its details. Look for the Receipt or Download Receipt option. Click on it to generate your web receipt. You now know how to access and generate web receipts on Cash App effectively. This process is not only useful for keeping your financial records organized, but also essential for any business-related transactions. For further assistance, consider checking Cash App's Help section or exploring additional tutorials on managing your account.
Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell button to stay updated on our latest uploads. If you have any questions or video recommendation, leave them down below.